Electro-Panther, what have you done? You made a wish in a mirror, didn't you, Leprechaun?
Duh. We're all twice as awesome now, aren't we?
And all twice as doomed. Leprechauns are hypnotized at birth to never think of wishing on themselves in the mirror. Figures you'd mess that up.
That's why I never thought about doing it before these two pestered me into it.
Peer pressure. That is a flaw in the system. You see, when you made a wish in the mirror, your wish power drew another dimension into our world. Now we have to share the same space, which cannot be.
Look!
It's already started. First, people will collide with people. Then buildings will crash into buildings. Oceans will double in volume. Sandwiches will be made of 4 pieces of bread until finally the planet collapses under its own weight. You feel me, dog?
Yikes! Jinx!
Yikes, jinx, indeed.